हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्रायश एजू। आज हम देख रहे हैं क्लास 5 ईवीएस पार्ट 2, जिसमें फर्स्ट लेसन है व्हाट इज हिस्ट्री, जिसमें आज हम देखेंगे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू और फॉल्स और कई सारे क्वेश्चंस। तो दोस्तों, हम क्वेश्चंस तो आपको दे रहे हैं, लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स को है जो आपको लेसन तो रीड करना है, जो हार्ड वर्ड्स हैं वो आपको निकालने हैं और उनके मीनिंग्स आपको डिक्शनरी में देख के आपको याद करने हैं। तो दोस्तों, ये सिर्फ एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस है या फिर आपके जो लेसन के नीचे दिए हुए वो क्वेश्चंस है वो भी इसमें ऐड होंगे। तो ये जस्ट आपके लिए प्रैक्टिस है। तो चलो देखते हैं क्या क्या है इस लेसन में। फर्स्ट है fill in the blanks. Dash is a science that tells us about events in the past, and the answer is history. The time that has already gone by is the dash, and the answer is past. The next one is the time that we are in now is the present. Fourth one is the time that is yet to come is the dash, and the answer is future. The next one is it is not possible to dash experiments to recreate the events that have happened in the past, and the answer is conduct. And the next one is the events of today are dash with past actions, and the answer is linked. The next one is the inventions of today are only possible on the dash of the discoveries and inventions of the past, and the answer is foundation. The next one is the dash includes many events that have already taken place, and the answer is past. The next one is the time gone by between dash and the day of your birth is your past, and the answer is today. Next one is the method of using a number of different tests to determine whether the evidence is dash is called the scientific method, and the answer is reliable. Next one is the sources of history are of dash types, and the answer is 3 types. The next question type is state whether the following statements are true or false. दोस्तों, मैं यहाँ पे ट्रू और फॉल्स नहीं लिखूंगी, मैं सिर्फ टी और एफ लिखूंगी, तो आपको ये आइडेंटिफाई हो जाएगा कि टी फॉर ट्रू और एफ फॉर फॉल्स है। तो चलो देखते हैं क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस है इसमें। द इवेंट्स ऑफ टुडे आर लिंक्ड विद पास्ट एक्शंस, एंड द आंसर इज ट्रू। सेकेंड वन इज फ्यूचर डिपेंड्स ऑन पास्ट एक्शंस, and the answer is true. The next one is inventions of today are not possible on the foundation of the discoveries and inventions of the past, and the answer is false. The next one is the future includes many events that have already taken place, and the answer is false. The next one is the time gone by between today and the day of your birth is your present, and the answer is false. The method of using a number of different tests to determine whether the evidence is reliable is called the scientific method, and the answer is true. The next one is the sources of history are of 4 types, and the answer is false. Now the answer in one sentence. So what is meant by scientific method? The method of using a number of different tests to determine whether the evidence is reliable is called the scientific method. The next one is what is history? And the answer is history is a science that tells us about events in the past. The next question is given 3 terms that indicate past? And the answer is sometime ago, yesterday, and last year are the terms that indicate past. Fourth one is give 3 terms that indicate future. And the answer is after some time, tomorrow, and next year are the terms that indicate future. The next one is what is past? And the answer is the time that has already gone by is the past. The next question is what is present? The time that we are in now is the present. The next question is what is future? The time that is yet to come is future. Next one is what is the meaning of your past? And the answer is the time gone by between today and the day of your birth is your past. Next question is name any 5 sources of history. And the answer is ancient objects, pots, coins, structures, sculptures, inscriptions, books, songs, stories, and manuscripts are some of the sources of history. The next question is what are the types of sources of history? And the answer is the sources of history are of 3 types: material sources, written sources, oral sources. The next question is how do we find out what happened in the past? And the answer is in order to find out what happened in the past and how it happened, evidence available from all the sources is collected and thoroughly examined to determine its reliability. With the help of evidence that stands this test, past events are put in a proper sequence and a historical account is written. The next question is what does history provide? And the answer is history provides us with guidelines about how we should behave today in order to shape a good future. तो दोस्तों ये थे कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो लेसन नंबर 1 पे थे। दोस्तों आपको लेसन तो रीड करना ही है और उसके ऊपर जो भी हार्ड वर्ड्स है उसमें जो भी हार्ड वर्ड्स है वो आपको अलग से लिख के उसके मीनिंग्स भी फाइंड आउट करने हैं। दोस्तों अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करना। अगर आपके कुछ सुझाव या अभिप्राय रहेंगे तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स के माध्यम से भी भेज सकते हैं। और हाँ दोस्तों, आपने अगर अभी तक मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो पहले मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बाजू में दिए हुए बेल आइकन पे भी क्लिक करो ताकि मेरे जो भी नए नए वीडियोस आते रहेंगे उनका नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहेगा। दोस्तों ये वीडियो देखने के लिए और सुनने के लिए धन्यवाद। हम मिलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए टॉपिक के साथ, कुछ नए एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ। तब तक के लिए दोस्तों धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ रहे। थैंक यू।